Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So the US dollar Swiss, first of all, we have CPI inflation data coming out today in a few hours for the US, which is definitely going to cause some volatility on basically all the dollar pairs I would expect. Now, I'm still looking at this as possibly being an ABC correction. We are sitting at the 50%, so if it does, do like that double top breakdown, then it very easily could end the correction and continue the higher time frame downtrend because the higher time frames are definitely still in a downtrend. Now, taking it down to a little bit of a shorter time frame, like the 1 hour, it actually looks like it potentially is going to drift up, maybe either prior to the news or at the news. And if it just keeps going up, then there's no shorting opportunity. Then there's only longs, right? Because this is still higher highs, higher lows, so we should still be looking for longs. Now, if it does, go up and continue to respect this 50% area, then go down, then give me a breaker structure, that right there would be the evidence that I would be looking for to prove that this really is the end of an ABC correction. And I would definitely turn into a seller after the breaker structure and after the pullbacks, trying to get short potentially for the continuation of the higher time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.